45 wonderful benefits and uses of lemon. Lemons are one of the most amazing fruits in the world. They provide a wide range of benefits and uses. Therefore, we decided to present you the most prominent uses and benefits of this nutrient-dense citrus fruit. Health benefits of lemon. 1. Aids weight loss. Lemon is a natural diuretic for eliminating the water weight. All you should do is consume warm lemon water every morning. Moreover, it will eliminate toxins and waste from your body. 2. Soothes cough. You can soothe a persistent cough by consuming warm lemon water with honey twice a day. This will soothe your throat and suppress a cough. 3. Treats cold. Due to the high content of vitamin C, lemon will treat the common cold and help with runny nose and itchy nasal passage. 4. Prevents cancer. Lemon contains 22 anti-cancer compounds, such as limonene, which slows down the growth of cancer tumors. 5. Dissolves and prevents kidney stones. Lemon is rich in citric acid, which dissolves kidney stones and prevents their formation. 6. Promotes liver health. Again, due to the citric acid, lemons increase the production of bile in the liver, which eliminates toxins from the body and keeps the liver healthy. 7. Helps with nausea. If you experience nausea and vomiting during pregnancy, lemon is the right solution for you. 8. Eliminates dark elbows. If you want to eliminate dark elbows, you should use lemon. Lemon has bleaching properties, which lighten the skin around the elbows. You should rub half a lemon gently on your elbows and wash them after 15 minutes. Your skin will be lighter and softer. 9. Treats acid reflux. You can treat acid reflux by consuming lemon mixed with water on a daily basis. 10. Relieves arthritis pain. Simply by applying lemon and pepper paste on your kneecaps, you will reduce the pain caused by arthritis. 11. Supports vision health. Due to the high vitamin C content, lemons can prevent many age-related vision troubles, including cataract. 12. Helps with thyroid issues. If you suffer from any thyroid disorder, such as thyroid cancer, hypothyroidism, or hyperthyroidism, lemon is the best natural solution for you. 13. Cures hangovers. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which breaks down alcohol in the liver and cures hangovers. 14. Treats psoriasis. Consuming warm water with lemon juice can treat psoriasis because the citric acid eases dryness and flaking. Moreover, lemon is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which will help you soothe inflammation. 15. Boosts energy levels. You should start your day with a glass of lemon. As a result, it will boost your energy and rejuvenate your cells. 16. Supports bowel movements. Lemon is a natural source of a compound called limonene, which supports bowel movements and eliminates toxins and waste from the body. 17. Cures peptic ulcers. In order to treat this condition, you should consume a distilled water with a tinge of lemon water on a regular basis. 18. Normalizes blood pressure. If you suffer from low blood pressure, you should be given a body massage by using a half sun-soaked lemon mixed with 1/4 cup oil. 19. Eliminates the smell of sweat. Lemon is packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties, which kill the odor-causing bacteria and eliminate body odor. Simply squeeze a full lemon in a bucket full of water and take a bath. 20. Helps with Parkinson's disease. The peel of lemon has tangeritin, which can help with brain disorders like Parkinson's disease. 21. Cures edema. Lemon juice can also cure edema of the muscular region. 22. Stops nose bleeding. You should drop lemon juice in your nostrils to stop nose bleeding immediately. 23. Cures bad breath. Lemon cures bad breath due to the acidic nature. You should take half a lemon and add some salt and baking soda on it. Then, rub it on your teeth and gums. Besides eliminating bad breath, this method will whiten your teeth. 24. Reduces internal bleeding. Lemon contains anticoagulant properties, which can prevent blood clots and reduce internal bleeding. Skin benefits of lemon. 25. Eliminates eye bags. Lemon can also eliminate the puffiness under your eyes due to the vitamin C content. All you should do is apply lemon juice. With a small cotton ball on the area. Leave it on for some time and then wash it off with cold water. 26. Prevents wrinkles. Due to the vitamin C and the anti-aging properties, lemon prevents wrinkles. You should use a mask of lemon. Prepare the mask by mixing a tablespoon of honey, some drops of lemon juice, and a few drops of almond oil. Apply the paste on your face, let it act for 15 minutes, and wash it off. 27. Reduces acne. Lemon is packed with antibacterial properties which can prevent and reduce acne. You should rub diluted lemon solution on the affected area. 28. Lightens the skin. Lemon is great for skin lightening, and it also reduces spots and marks. 29. Removes tan. You can remove the tan by mixing some rose water and lemon juice. Apply this solution on the affected area twice a day. 30. Treats oily skin. If you struggle with oily skin, lemon is the right solution for you. All you should do is mix up some eggs, honey, and strawberries with lemon and apply it over your skin. Finish with rinsing it off. 31. Improves the nails. Due to the high vitamin C content, applying lemon juice on the nails will make them healthy and strong. 32. Treats eczema. You can treat eczema by applying lemon juice on the affected area and leaving it on overnight. 33. Promotes skin health. You can also use lemon to promote the skin health. Simply mix 4 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Apply it on your skin, let it act for 10 minutes, and rinse it off. 34. Treats melasma. You can treat melasma by combining lemon juice, cored apples, honey, and turmeric. 35. Makes your skin look younger. Your skin can look younger with the help of lemon. Use lemon juice, a teaspoon of glycerin, and a cup of milk. Mix the ingredients well and apply it on your face. Let it act for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Practice this treatment before going to bed every night. 36. Treats the feet. You can treat your feet at home with lemon. Simply soak your legs in hot water to relax the muscles and then scrub with lemon juice. 37. Kills germs and wounds. Due to the antiseptic properties, lemon helps in killing microbes and germs in wounds. Hair benefits of lemon. 38. Eliminates dandruff. Lemon is rich in antifungal property, which kills the fungi causing dandruff. 39. Covers gray hair. Lemon can also help with premature graying. You should mix a few drops of lemon juice with amla juice and apply this mixture each night before going to sleep. 40. Treats damaged hair. This citrus fruit will also treat dry and damaged hair. Simply mix lemon juice with 3/4 cup olive oil and 1/2 cup raw honey. Apply it on your hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Finally, rinse off and use a mild shampoo to clean the hair. 41. Stops hair loss. Lemon will help you with hair loss and promote hair growth. All you should do is mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil and a juice of half a lemon. Apply this mixture on the hair once a week. You will notice the results in 2 weeks. 42. Treats itchy scalp. Lemon can help with an itchy scalp as it balances the pH levels of the scalp. Other benefits of lemon. 43. Cleans greasy spots. If you notice greasy spots on the stove or on the kitchen table, you can remove them with a lemon. Simply cut a lemon in half, sprinkle some salt on it, and rub it on the greasy spots. Finish with a clean towel. 44. Disinfects chopping boards. If you use the chopping board often, it means that it needs disinfection. Use half a lemon and rub it over the board. Finally, rinse the board with water. 45. Cleans ovens. You can clean the oven's inner surface with the help of a lemon. Simply take a glass of water and soak lemon rind in it. Microwave it for 5 minutes in your oven and clean the